Spice officially launches her Graci Noir brand and shows off some samples.
Black and beautiful, so me now bleach. Hold on, me now have no panty. Wait. I can't go too low. Hold on. Let me go back some more. This is actually an oversized sweat top. I want you to see the length of it, but me can't go back too far because we that change quick, so me never really finish dress. But this one is like an oversized hoodie, oversized sweat top. Another one that can fit any weather. It has pink Graci Noir printed. You know me like bright color, pretty color. So this is also another piece. And this not expensive none at all, just $500 US. Actually it's just $55.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So from the other day, me telling about Spice new brand, right? She post couple days ago and said she gonna launch a new brand on October 1st, and she did do it, right? So she had a live and she show off a couple of the pieces them from her collection, and it's the Graci Noir. Hope me say that correctly this time, because sometimes I say it good, sometimes I have trouble with it. But she gonna explain in a minute and tell you know it's partly her name and the other part is French. Me did know a little bit about the French part because you know the French new wave movies, that is another subject, but it's the same thing. Them say film noir. Me kind of know that little bit. You see me? So me go make Spice talk and tell you know, and then she go come through and show on a couple of the pieces them. So without any further ado, here goes Spice explaining what the brand name mean and where it derived from. Here goes.
So the name Graci, my name is Grace, as most of you know. So my real name is Grace Hamilton. Jamaican, everybody them call you all kind of name. Them check your name and call you what them feel like. So people has always called me Gracie. So that's my nickname since childhood. However, you know, when you Google Grace and Gracie, the name of the brand is Graci. It's Graci. I changed the E to I because the word Graci had a better meaning that I loved, and it means thank you. And I'm so thankful, like, to everybody just for the support over the years and for my journey and how far that I've been through. So I went ahead and used the word Graci. As an advocate for Black people, I wanted to also represent my complexion, because there are so many things that's happening across the world where I feel like people just are pick on Black people and we get so much fight. And it has also been one of my biggest inspiration to show people, you know, that Black people are beautiful and we're powerful. So I called my friend who lives in Italy, and I was saying, I need a name that can represent for my people. I need a name that can represent for the Black community, something that represents me, that shows strength and that I'm powerful. And he said, well, you know, the word Black in French means noir. And I said, what? What you say? And he said, you know, the word Black in French, it means noir. So I said, so he said, what do you mean noir? And he said, yeah, noir, that's black. So I just said, look here, me I call you back, sir. Call a couple of my friends that I say, what do you think about Graci Noir? And them say, what that mean? When I explained it to them, they was like, yeah.
So now that Spice explained the name, she gonna show you some samples of, you know what I mean, some of what she got. Right? So coming up, she gonna show you one tracksuit, and also she gonna talk about the prices, and she also have another name. Well, it's not a name, it's a slogan for the brand. So she gonna explain that as well. But now up on the screen, she show off some of in the closet, but me kind of have to speed this up, so me I go tell you know what it's about. She has said this is like a boutique collection, so this is not necessarily her brand, but you can buy it also up on the website, and these are around the $40 range or so. So let's take a look at one of the suits that Spice have. This is the Graci Noir suit. So here goes.
All right, let's go into it. This is one of the pieces from the clothing line. If you step back a little bit, the word noir, which means black, is right in the middle. It has a zipper that goes right around. You can wear it however you choose. And so I want to show you that, you know, if you want to put your hood on, it's a very wide, you know, sometimes you have some things and they track the hood little bit and it can't fit by your head because some on the head big. Yeah, this one, look, it has a lot of space. So, you know, it now go hard for go on your head. The beauty about this piece is that it has a zipper. Show them the detail right here. So if you, for all you ladies, if you don't want to look man now, you don't want to show a little shoulder and drop off the little shoulder, in the cold time, you can zip it up. But if it's nice and so, you just zip off right here so and catch man right through. Look. It zip all the way off. And then, you know, we can show a little shoulder. All right? So, you can wear it however you please. Are you seeing it, ladies? I'll be laughing. Is the material thick? Okay. So someone is asking if the material thick. I was saying if you see me sweating, it's because I'm in one of my thick material. So I'm going to go ahead and try to turn this on the outside for you. If you look, you can see that this type of material is fit for the winter.
So you know, so when it come on to naming products, Spice get very creative and she always keep it Jamaican. So just like how she name her makeup line after I sang them and some of the patwa, you know what I mean? A same thing with Fear brand. So one of them suit you actually name, you see this, and one name, this is buzzing, and them and so on and so forth. You see what I mean? So when you go up on the website, you will see more specifically what the name is. Some of us are going to general, you know what I mean, like a description of what them name. But coming up now, she are going to discuss the price, right? So Spice are going to tell you know how much this costs and, you know what I mean, the one that she's wearing and also, you know, the price range of couple other ones. So here goes, Spice are telling you how much the tracksuit costs. Here goes.
These tracksuits that we're wearing from Graci Noir, non-expensive. This piece that I have on is like, I think this one is 2,500. Very cheap, affordable. You know, all on you can, you know, you can afford it. So this piece that I'm wearing is just 2,500 US dollars. Yeah, just 2,500. Nothing expensive. I want to type say $2,500 there because we don't buy the big something them. I don't know the people them. But I'm just kidding. It's not 2,500. It's just 1,000 US dollars for this tracksuit. Okay, that's also a lie. Yeah. That's also a lie. The pieces are very affordable because I believe that I wanted all my fans to just wear noir. I just want to see everybody wearing the word noir. So I made it very affordable. I could have really sold it for like 1,000, but I never want to. And then I said I'm going to sell it for 800, but I said no, all my fans can't afford 800. So I said, you know what? I'm going to do like 750. And then I said, no, I don't think that everybody can do that. I want everybody to wear this word noir and place just full off with black and, you know. So I said, let me do 600. And then I said 500. And then I started to think about you guys and the way I want, you know, to be able to be a part of this gang. I said, you know, let me do 450. And then I said, let me do 350. And I said, no, I want my fans to wear it. So I said, I'm going to do 250. And then I said, you know what, I'm not even like the 250. I bring it down $100. $100? Shizam. Graci Noir, reasonable, affordable, and look good. Good quality. Them something your ladies are going to make you get man. Me not ask your man, I'm going to look on you. And that's why I get the one with the zip right here. So open up, show shoulder, chest behavior. $100 US, very affordable.
Yeah, people, so, you know, Spice that joke around with the price, but she actually said that suit was $100, and that's in US, right? And she have some 85 at the start of the video here. She said one was 55. I'm telling you about the boutique special them where around $40. She said around $40. So there you go. You have some price points, you know what I mean? But now I say that for everything, you have to check it out on the website. But one more thing I want to show you is this thing here. Here goes.
So our slogan is La Vie Noire. So some of the pieces may say Graci Noir. Some of the pieces may say La Vie Noire. It means my life in black. So this piece, when you see it, don't wonder what it means. It means my life in black. And I'm going to put this on real quick, just so that you can see how they fit, you know, and stuff.
Somebody said they want you in the black with orange writing, which is the body.
That's it. So if you want to check out the Graci Noir brand, there's a website for it, and you can also check on Spice Instagram page for the link, and there's also an Instagram page for the Graci Noir brand. So that's the end of this video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for watching, commenting, and sharing, right? So if you're subscribed, turn on the bell icon. Big up yourself. Have a wonderful day and night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thanks for watching.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.